welcome to BeautiCo. I'm Aisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today I literally have 15 minutes to get ready. So I'm going to be showing you my 15-minute makeup routine. I am not filming in my original DSLR camera. I'm filming on my iPhone because I literally had no time today. So let's start with my 15-minute makeup routine. Quickly gonna go in with my primer. This one is from Sheglam. This is the birthday skin primer. I recently got it and I've been actually loving this one. It helps in hydrating as well as smoothing out my skin and blurring the look of my pores. So I just do that quickly. In my 15-minute makeup routine, I do not use a foundation. So I'm gonna go in with this concealer. This is the Fenty Beauty VR Even Concealer in the shade 290W. I am gonna use this to hide my dark circles and also spot conceal, and also on my eyelids to cover up the darkness there. A little bit around my mouth, right here, right here. I'm just gonna blend this out with my fingers, slightly tapping it in. Then I'm just going to take a concealer brush and blend this concealer around my mouth and my T-zone. I'm going to let the concealer sit for a little while so that it bakes and I get more coverage out of it. Till then, I will do some cream contouring. This is from Sheglam. This is a Sun Sculpt in Warm Honey. And I'm going to go directly right here. My nose. So I'm just gonna blend the nose contour with my fingers first. And I'm gonna take this brush from Bougie Beauty. This is the B424 brush to blend the contour that we applied. And then using my blender, I am going to blend the concealer out. And I'm also going to slightly sculpt from the side so that my nose looks a little bit more chiseled. Next, for cream blush, I'm using this Huda Beauty's blush filter in the shade Strawberry Cream. It's a very pretty mauvey pink shade. I'm just gonna use this brush to blend this out. Actually, it is like more of a pinky shade. It does not have too much mauve tones in it. I really like the formula of these Huda Beauty blushes. It's very creamy and blendable and pigmented as well. Then using my Nykaa's Matte to Last Pore Blurring Loose Powder in the shade Latte 04, I am gonna set my face. First, I'm gonna set under my eyes using a puff. I'm gonna quickly shape and fill my brows with my Lakme's Micro Brow Perfector in the shade Charcoal. Next, I'm going to use this Benefits Fluff Up Brow Wax. This sets my brows and my brow hair will stay in place throughout the day. And I just like to just comb through it. Next, I'm going to grab my Hoola bronzer. This is one of my ride or die bronzers. I cannot do without this. So I like to set my cream bronzer that I applied with this and just sculpt a little bit more because I like a sculpted look. And I really like the brush also that you get with this because it's very precise, fluffy, and just helps applying everything very easy. This brush is literally perfect to do nose contour quickly. I'm also gonna run this bronzer on my eyes just as a transition color and just to give some shape to my eyes. Then I'm gonna grab a powder blush. This one is from M.A.C. This is in the shade Desert Rose. Another beautiful M.A.C powder blush shade. It's a very pretty deep pink with a little bit of mauve undertones. I also like to apply it on my nose just a little bit and on my chin. For eyes, I'm going to use this Chambors Extreme Eye Longwear Kohl, and I'm going to tightline and I'm going to extend it like a wing just to give my eyes some lift. So you'll see what I mean. I will first tightline using this, and then once I've done that, I'm just gonna flick it out. You see that? And then just with my nails, I will. This just gives like an instant elongated look to my eyes. Gonna curl my lashes. And I'm going to be using my current favorite mascara, that is the Clinique's High Impact Hi-Fi Full Volume Mascara. You see that? Instant lift and instant volume as well. I'm going to quickly set everything with my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush setting spray. One last step before I go in with lipstick is a liquid highlighter. This one is from Sheglam. This is the Glow Bloom liquid highlighter in the shade Tea Cake. I'm going to take it on the back of my hand. So I am just going to take my sponge, apply it on the highest points of my cheeks. Yeah, that is what I am talking about. For lips, I'm using this Beauty's Redefined Lip Liner in the shade Bottomline. Love this lip liner. It's so creamy, pigmented, and it's like that perfect brownie pinky nude. And for lipstick, I'm using again from Beauty. This is the Lip Whip in the shade Right, another favorite nude shades of mine. And the formula on this is super thin and very comfortable. And I am done. This is my 15-minute makeup routine. This is how I like to do my makeup when I have to step out of the house and I literally have 15 minutes on my hand. Everything is still very put together, snatched, lifted, my eyes are elongated, everything is very defined. So I like my makeup to be very defined so that I look sharper. So yeah, this is my 15-minute makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you all did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna go now and I'll see you all in my next video very soon. And then bye.